Hi! Beyond art and design, our studio works extensively with cartographic data. We create vector prints, wooden maps, t-shirts, and all kinds of detailed designs for print on demand. Since our files are high resolution, we apply them to just about everything, from t-shirts and bags to dresses and home decor. 2 years ago, I came up with a fun advertising campaign idea. A beautiful woman wears a piece of clothing with a map of the city printed on it. She's a tourist who gets lost and asks a local for help, using her own outfit as a map. The idea was fresh, but execution was virtually impossible. Huge expenses for models, crews, actors. Now, however, technology has changed drastically. Today I'm going to test whether we can bring this campaign to life without a single real actor or film crew using Flova AI. This is what the interface looks like. I started by loading my campaign prompt directly into Flova AI. The plan was clear: a short, punchy social media spot featuring Sonia in Amsterdam. Right away, the agent broke down the whole video into a 5-scene script with timing, camera angles, and atmosphere. Since this was my first time testing the workflow, I had to consult ChatGPT to refine the details. To make sure Sonia looks identical in every shot, I uploaded 3 reference photos. There was a quick mix-up with her default outfit, but I just told the agent in plain text, keep the white Amsterdam map t-shirt, and it instantly updated the character profile across all scenes. Here's where the magic happens. Flova generated all the keyframes, video clips, voiceover, and background music simultaneously. Then it automatically assembled everything onto a multi-track timeline with proper audio ducking and lip sync. What took about 15 minutes of real-time tweaking is now compressed into seconds. The result? A fully rendered 9:16 vertical commercial, produced without hiring a single model or setting foot in the Netherlands. Let's take a look at the first test in Amsterdam and see how it all came together.
Well, at least I'm wearing the map.
Oh, I love that map. See this spot? This is my favorite cafe. You have to go there.
Really? I'll have to check it out.
For a first test, I think it turned out surprisingly well. There are a few flaws, of course, like that moment where a completely different design pops up on her t-shirt. But overall, the baseline quality and flow are really solid. I'm no high-end director, but working with an agent like this really feels like having a production team doing the heavy lifting. What I like is the control, seeing every step and making adjustments on the fly. One thing I really want to highlight is how credits work here. You're not charged for brainstorming, typing prompts, or uploading reference photos. That's all free Workspace. The credits only start burning when you hit generate for actual assets, like rendered images, voiceovers, or multi-second video clips. So you can refine your script as much as you want without worrying about the meter running. Another huge plus is the flexibility with audio. You're not stuck with just one generic AI voice. You can let the agent generate a natural voice using seed audio, tap into top-tier engines like ElevenLabs or MiniMax, or even upload your own custom voice reference. Same goes for the background track. You can generate custom cinematic music via Suno or Mureka with just a single click. Having all these audio options integrated right into the workspace makes fitting the sound to the scene remarkably fast. Now, let's see how the second test turned out, where I applied my Glasgow map design onto a dress.
Sorry, I think I'm lost. Can you help me?
Oh hi, you're no far away. Just go down the road, cross the brig, and you'll find it right there.
Loke?
A New Gloucester.
I think I got it. Thank you.
Overall, I'm really impressed with Flova. Since I have a huge catalog of city map designs, this tool is going to be a game changer for my workflow. Another great feature is the built-in timeline. You can fine-tune every clip right here or easily export your project to Premiere Pro or CapCut for final touches. If you want to test it out yourself, check out the link in the description below. Using that link helps support the channel so I can keep bringing you more real-world AI tests.